So whenever we talk about the SSL deployment, so at phase 1 we need to create the certificate signing request or CSR, and then we will submit this request to our certificate authorities and they will definitely provide us the SSL certificate. So for the creation of CSR we have multiple options, multiple ways. So at level 1 we have third party tools. So with the help of these third party tools we can easily create our CSR. And if we think about the second option, so at level 2 we have many online URLs available from where we can easily create the CSR as well. While at level 3 we have operating system options. So if we talk about the Microsoft operating system, so we have Internet Information Services from where we can create the CSR. And in the same manner, if we talk about the Linux and Ubuntu or CentOS options, so we have OpenSSL from where we can easily create the CSR. Hello and welcome to all of you on my productive and industry oriented training platform.
We go with the CSR creation demo. So right now I just type download digicert utility. So in this episode, we are going to use the third party utility, which is known as digicert. We can download this utility and see what kind of options available to create the CSR. So let's move with this URL link. So when I click on the link, so I'll definitely find the download option over here. So here you can see the download button is available. So as I click on this option, so this file will be downloaded. So I have already downloaded this file. So I just need to, here you can verify that this folder is available inside the downloads. So I just click on this utility and the window will appear over here. I just need to accept, and then we'll see what kind of options available over here. So here you can see we have code signing options, SSL certificates, and other tool options available. So I just need to click on the SSL. So here you can see that's the really important feature of the digicert utility. When you have number of certificates installed inside the system, so this utility will automatically fetch all kinds of information related to the installed certificate. So we damn care about the installed certificates. Right now we are going to create the CSR. So here is the create CSR option available. Very simple. So here we have two options available, certificate type. So I just click on the SSL if I'm trying to create the code signing certificate, which will be covered in the coming episode. So we will definitely select this option. Otherwise we will go with the SSL option. So here on this screen, we have two required information, which is really important and required for the SSL deployment. The first one is common name. Definitely I need the domain name for where I need to deploy the SSL certificate. So let's suppose I type techworld.com and same name I used over here as well. And the second information is the key size. Definitely this SSL certificate will encrypt the traffic between the client machine and the server machine. So I need to define the key size. So here from the drop down menu, we have three options available. So I'll select the 2048 option. You can also increase the number as per your own requirements. And after this, I'll definitely type my company name, take world, and the department will definitely IT, city will be, you can say Devi, state will be Florida. This information is definitely related to my company. So I just need to provide this information and the CSR process is almost done. So I just need to click on the generate option. I click and it asks yes. So here you can see now the CSR is ready. Very simple steps. You just need to put important information related to the domain and the key size, and it will generate CSR for you. So now I need to save this file. So definitely I'll click and save this option inside my documents. So here I have the documents option. So take world CSR. Okay. So I just save this option. Okay. And if I want to verify my domain information related to the CSR, so I can do this as well. I just need to copy this text from here, close this window, and now here I need to type validate CSR with digicert. Okay, no problem. We can find many other options. So here CSR decoder option is available. So I just need to verify that all the information inside the CSR is according to my requirements. So I just need to put that information, and here you can see all the information appeared over here. So now after creation of this CSR file, I just need to submit this file to the certificate authorities. It might be GoDaddy, Cloudflare, or any other vendor. So I will register my DNS name, and then I'll provide the CSR to the certificate authorities, and on the behalf of this CSR, they will provide me the certificate, and that certificate will be implemented on my website.